back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna do round 2 of buying one of each scratch ticket from the vending machine. We got $155 worth of tickets today, so let's get scratching. Okay, so before we get started, I do want to let you know that there is a $3 ticket that I'm going to scratch in a little bit. I'm not going to scratch it on camera, but once we're done with scratching the rest of the tickets, I'll come back on and I'll let you know if I won on this ticket. Okay, so we're going to start off with this dollar ticket. This is Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. And the directions are, find an egg symbol when prize shown. Find a chicken symbol when double the prize shown. All right, let's see if we can find an egg or a chicken. All right, nothing on that ticket. The next ticket is the baseball ticket. The directions for this ticket is add your 9 innings. If your score beats their score, win prize shown. If your score adds to 10 or greater, win double the prize shown. Each game played separately. All right, let's see what their score is. They got an 8. First game. We got a 4, 5. Nothing on the first game. Let's do the second game. 1, 6, that makes 7. All right, we didn't win on that ticket. Okay, so the next game is the red ball tripler. So the directions for this game is when any of your numbers match either winning number, win prize shown under the matching number. When any of your numbers match the red ball number, triple the prize shown under the matching number. Okay, so let's see what the red ball number is. So we need either a 4, a 2, or a 10. All right, so nothing on that game. Okay, so the next game is Quick Cash. The directions for this ticket is match any of your numbers to either of the winning numbers, win prize shown. Get a 10 times symbol, win 10 times the prize shown. So we need a 5 or a 9. Okay, nothing on that ticket. The next game is going to be the Joker's Wild. The directions for this game is match any of your numbers to either of the winning numbers, win prize shown. Get a Joker symbol, win all 10 prizes shown. So we need a 2 or a 3. Okay, that ticket's not a winner. Wow. Okay, so this game is double cash. All right, the directions for this ticket is reveal 3 like prizes, win that prize. Match any of your numbers to either winning number, win prize shown for that number. Okay, so we have a 24 and a 4. Okay, so now let's scratch the prizes and see if we got 3 like prizes. All right, we didn't win nothing on that ticket neither. Okay, so the next game is 10 times the cash. Directions for this ticket is match any of your numbers to either winning number, win prize shown. Get a 10 times symbol, win 10 times the prize shown. So we need a 19 or a 15. We won on that ticket. All right, let's see what we got. So we got $2. Okay, so the next game is a $5 ticket. This is main money. Directions for this ticket is reveal a gold bar symbol, win prize shown. Reveal a bag symbol, win 5 times the prize shown. Reveal a double money symbol, win all 15 prizes. Okay, let's see what we got. So basically we're just looking for symbols. We got a win. We got the gold bar. Let's see if we got another gold bar. We do. We got 2 gold bars. Heck yeah. Okay, let's see what we got. So we got $5, $10. I'll take it. Okay, the next game is the full of 500s. The directions for this game is match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown. Get a star symbol, win prize shown automatically. Get a $50 symbol, win $50 automatically. Get a bag symbol, win all 15 prizes shown. Okay, here we go. So we need a 9, a 15, a 17, or a 14. I'll take that $50 symbol. Come on. All right, nothing on that ticket. Okay, so the next game is the World Series Champions. The directions for this ticket is match any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win prize shown. Get a bat symbol, win that prize automatically. Get a home plate symbol, win all 15 prizes automatically. So we need 11, 6, 14, or a 12. All right, so nothing on that ticket. Okay, so the next game is 6 times the champions. The directions for this ticket is match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown. Get a double money symbol, win that prize automatically. Get a touchdown symbol, win all 15 prizes automatically. Okay, let's see. We got a 17, 19, 20, 16, 6, or a 3. Nothing on that ticket. Okay, so the next ticket is the 007. The directions for this game is match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown. Get a gold bar symbol, win that prize automatically. Get a 007 symbol, win all 15 prizes automatically. All right, so we need an 8, 15, 18, or a 21. Okay, so nothing on that ticket. Okay, so the next game is the Cash-tastic. This also has a back to it. So the directions for this ticket is match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown for that number. Get a star symbol, win $100 instantly. Get a cash symbol, win all 20 prizes shown. Let's do the back first. So for this, you're gonna match, you know, your numbers here to a winning number, you win. Or you can get a 10 times symbol or an all symbol. If you get the all symbol, you win all of these 10 prizes. So let's see what we got. So we need a hat or a key. So we didn't win nothing on the back. So we need a 1, 38, 23, 10, or a 34. Nothing on that ticket. Okay, so the next ticket is 25 times the cash. The directions for this game is match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers, win prize shown. Get a money bag symbol, win the prize shown automatically. Get a 25 times symbol, win 25 times the prize shown. We need an 18, 47, 14, 26, or 28. Come on. Nothing on that ticket. Okay, the next game is the 50s or 100s. The directions for this ticket is match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers, win prize shown. Get a $50 symbol, win $50 instantly. Get a $100 symbol, win $100 instantly. So we got a 35, a 16, 51, 38, 46. Take that $100 symbol. Come on. Nothing. Okay, so now we're moving on to the $20 tickets. This is 50 times the cash. The directions for this game is match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers, win prize shown for that number. And this has multipliers. You get a 10 times multiplier, you get 10 times the prize, all the way up to 50. So let's see what we got. So we need a 23, 45, 8, 27, 49, 14, 41, or a 36. Come on. I am not lucky today. Oh my gosh, nothing. Holy cow. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the $500,000 payout. The directions for this ticket is match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers when prize shown. Get a stack of cash symbol when prize shown automatically. Get a 5 times the symbol when 5 times the prize shown. Get a bag symbol when all 20 prizes automatically. Okay, so we really need a miracle at this point. So we got a 13, 27, 32, 21, 28, 11, 23, and 17. Come on. We got the cash symbol. We got the cash. Thank you, God. All right. 26. Nope. Give me another cash symbol. Come on. Okay, let's see what we got. 25. I'll take it. Okay, so now we're moving on to the $50,000 frenzy. This is one of my favorite games. The directions for this game is in the same row across, if your numbers match the winning number, win prize shown for that row. Reveal a multiplier, you win that prize for that row times the multiplier. This also has 3 bonus spots, so you just have to reveal 2 identical symbols. If you reveal it there, you get $30, there you get $50, there you get $100. Let's see what we got. Nothing there. Nothing so far. Nothing on that ticket. Okay, so this is our last ticket. This is the $50 million cash blowout. Directions for this ticket is match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers, win prize shown for that number, and this also has multipliers. So for the bonus, if you reveal 2 blue stars, $50. If you reveal 3 blue stars, you get $100. If you reveal 4, you get $250. We got 1. All right, we didn't win anything in the bonus. Okay. Let's see what we got. We got an 8, 14, 13, a 1, a 23, 18, 3, 38, 47, and 48. Nothing on that ticket. Okay guys, well that's it for today's video. So make sure you like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!